I'm Lacy Dunsmore. I'm from River Falls, Wisconsin, and I wanted to talk to you today about the rider buckle. It's made by Tech Tack. They're out of Oklahoma, and I've been using the rider buckle since last year. What it is it's the first ever self-locking buckle to keep your stirrups in. So it has a latch that locks and secures so that this stirrup is going to stay there when you need it. We have enough to worry about when we go down the alley. If we have something that's safer and we don't need to worry about it, we can focus on winning. I ride a lot of young horses. I need those stirrups to be there. It's affordable and it's hard to put a price on safety anyways, so I highly, highly recommend checking it out. They're easy to install. You're starting to find them all over the place, and a ton of saddle makers are using them from the get-go, so watch for this and know that you'll have that extra level of safety when you go down the alley.